Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to draw some plan and elevation obliques. We're going to start out with your old friend, the box. All right, and we'll draw a plan oblique and then an elevation oblique. So the first thing I need is a plan drawing of the box. Okay, our box is very simple. The plan view is a rectangle. It's 4 inches by 3 inches. Next, we have to take our plan and decide what angle we'd like to set our plan oblique drawing. Do we want a 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree? So I'm going to take it off the board. And literally turn it till I get the angle that I want. And I'm going to show you with a 45 degree. So what I'm going to do, set my T-square, my triangle up, and then turn my plan until I get it right at the 45, and then reset my tape. Okay, I've got my extra layer of tracing paper that I'm going to draw my plan oblique on. And now next I'm going to project my verticals from that plan. Okay, and my verticals are, let me remember, 1 3/4 inches. So for every major intersection or vertices or important points in your plan, you want to draw a vertical projection. Okay, and then we're going to we're drawing this at full scale, so I'm going to measure my 1 3/4 inches. Okay, then you simply connect the dots. And all of these lines that are parallel and perpendicular will be at the 45 degrees. There we go. Oh, it's running off the top of the screen a little bit. Let me move it. Here we go. So if you were drawing a freehand drawing, which we are here in this course, this would be all your prep work. Okay, you'd be drawing all of this on your underlays, and then another layer. Here is your final design. Okay. So we can see that this is our plan oblique. Let's see this angle right here of our small box. Okay. Let's talk about how to draw it with the foreshortening, because if you compare the two, okay, you can see that it's hard to see, but it feels a bit taller. Just visually and spatially, that feels a little taller than reality. Okay. And let's see what this box would look like at a 75% and a 50% height reduction. Remember that for the plan oblique, you apply the foreshortening in the vertical direction. Let's see, I'll use a red. Now there's a couple of different ways that you can graphically divide a line of any different length. And one is to take a piece of paper. Let's see, I've got one right here. And to mark your length, one end, two end, and then physically fold the paper. Got a little mark right there. And you can find the fold and divide your line in half. Okay, that's fine for half, but it gets complicated after if you're trying to divide for more. So let me show you another way. Here is our length that we want to divide. Let's divide it in 4 because we want to reduce to 75%, so take away 25%, so divide by 4. So what I've done is take my top and bottom point of the line that I want to divide and drawn some kind of extension lines perpendicular to that. Then I'll take my scale, okay, and I will align, say I want to divide this into 4. I will align any end point, okay, to one side, and I will tilt my scale, okay, until another regular division hits the other end point. In this case, I've got it 2 inches. And what you want to do is regularly divide that. So you hit the middle, do a dot at the midpoint, the 25% at the 75%. Okay, we've got these lines. Then you can transfer those measurements. Okay, and you have graphically divided this particular measurement into 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're interested in a height measuring from here to here and then reducing it by 25%. So that would be this point right here. Make a big dot there. So I have done it at one point in my drawing. I can transfer that height around graphically around my square. And if I'm accurate enough, which I may or may not be with this pen, these points should align. Okay, so that would be your box drawn in oblique view and with a 3/4 or 75% height. Okay. If we wanted the 50% height, switch to a blue pen here, we'd hit that 50% mark. And again, you can transfer that around. Oh boy, you can't really see blue, can you? That's okay. Okay, that was the plan oblique view of our box. Where'd the box go? Oh, here it is. And the next thing we're going to do is a elevation oblique view. Okay, I'm going to turn it this way, and we're going to look directly at this face and then recede back that way.